Do you know how to run JavaScript on command prompt using Node.js? Please don't forget to subscribe us and hit the bell icon so you don't miss an update when we upload new videos. In this video, we are going to learn about the traditional way of running JavaScript on browser and the new way of running JavaScript using Node.js. Let us first know what is the traditional way of running JavaScript on browser. I'll simply open a website and go to the contact form. In this website, I'll try to fill up the form. In this form, I'll try to enter some values. This form is having JavaScript validation for invalid data. Let me enter my name. It's fine. Let me enter invalid phone number. It is showing me error. This error is shown with the help of JavaScript. Let me enter invalid email. Again, it is showing me error. This error is shown with the help of JavaScript. This is called as client-side validation using JavaScript. As of now, we know how to run JavaScript on browser. Let us move further and try to write client-side JavaScript. I'll open VS Code and I'll open a folder called as Node Demo. In this folder, I'll create a HTML file. Let me create HTML file with the name app.html. In this HTML file, I am going to write HTML and I am going to embed JavaScript into it. To embed JavaScript in HTML, we simply write JavaScript inside script tags. Inside script tags, I am simply writing console.log page loaded. Let me save the HTML page and open it in browser. After opening the page in browser, I just need to inspect it so that I can see the console where we are logging using JavaScript. In the console section, we see the page loaded is shown. Now let me create a function called as add, which takes two parameters a and b. And in this function, I am just going to display the sum of parameters a and b. I am calling add function without parameters and it is showing me not a number. But as soon as when I call the function add with parameters, it is showing me sum equals to 9. Now let us know how to use JavaScript on command prompt using Node.js. To use Node.js, we simply need to verify whether Node.js has been installed on our machine or not. To check, I am running the command node-v, which is showing me version 12.18. It means that Node.js is installed on my machine. Now I am checking the versions of npm and npx. So I am getting both the versions. As Node.js is up and running on our machine, let us move further. I'll simply go to a directory called as Node Demo. Inside the folder node demo, I am going to create a file called as app.js. In this app.js, I am simply writing console.log hi from Technical Zing. And to run this JavaScript file on Node.js, I just need to say node app.js or simply node app. See, I get the output hi from Technical Zing. This is the way how we run JavaScript on command prompt using Node.js. Now let me define two variables a and b, and let me define a variable c which contains the sum of a plus b. And I am just logging sum equals to c. Again I am going to run this file using node app and I'll get the sum 10. Now let me create a function add which contains two parameters a and b and returns the sum of a and b. To call this function, I simply need to call add because it is returning a value. So I am saying var sum equals to add 7, 5. I'm passing the parameters which I need to add. Now I'm simply saying console.log sum. After saving the file, I simply run the command node app and it has given me the result sum equals to 12. That's how we run JavaScript on Node.js. I hope you like this information. Thank you.